Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil from Coding Beam. So in this video we are going to install the Apache Tomcat on our Windows. So we will be going to the Chrome and then we will type here the Apache and then Tomcat. Then we will be clicking on the enter and then you will see the very first link will be there with the Apache Tomcat and there will be the welcome page. Then we will click on it. Then you will see there is a Apache. On the left panel here you will see there are some Apache versions. Now you can select the 10 and then click on it, and then you have to click on the core and then you have to see that where is the 64-bit installer. So there is the installer, then we can click on it. So I will click on it and I will let it complete the downloading for me. So while it downloading, after that we will be clicking on it like we have to wait till it installs it, till it downloads it. So now we can open it directly from the Chrome. Then you will see a Windows pop-up here, then click on next and then yes, and then you will see the Tomcat screen here and then just click on the next and then you will see these are the licenses and then you can agree that, and I will agree and I will click on the next. So after clicking on the next you will see the select the type of the install. So we have to click on it and we have to select the full version of it so that all of its components are installed clearly. So I will click again on the next. So then keep the settings as a default. So then again click on the next. So there it will be identified that if you have installed the JDK, then it will be identified there, or no, you can install the JDK in your system, and then again click on the next. So I will click again on the next and actually this is the path of it, and I will click just on install. So it will be installed for me. So now you can see the run Apache Tomcat and then the show readme is clicked here. Then you can exclude this and then just finish it. And then you will be seeing the run Apache server onto your local host at the rate 8080. So after a moment you can see if the services is installed or not. I think that it will show me or not. We have to wait. We have to go to the local host at the rate 8080. So if I will go there, then you will see if this is open or not. So now you can see the Apache Tomcat 10.0.10. It is correctly open. So thank you guys for watching the video and I hope you will like it. And guys, please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials on the Java. Thank you guys.